The 2025 Ford Bronco continues its reign as an iconic off-road SUV, blending classic ruggedness with modern technology. Designed for adventure enthusiasts, the new Bronco offers enhanced performance, updated tech features, and new powertrain options, including a rumored hybrid variant. Whether tackling tough terrain or cruising on highways, the Bronco remains a top choice for those seeking versatility and capability. Exterior design. Ford has retained the bold, boxy, and retro-inspired look of the Bronco while adding refined updates for 2025. A revised front grille, new LED lighting, and additional color options give the SUV a fresh yet familiar appeal. The removable doors and roof continue to be a signature feature, enhancing its open-air adventure appeal. With high ground clearance, rugged skid plates, and all-terrain tires, the Bronco is built for the wild. The Raptor and Wildtrak trims push the styling even further with aggressive fender flares, unique badging, and performance-oriented bodywork. Interior. Inside, the 2025 Ford Bronco balances durability with comfort and modern tech. The cabin features a 12.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Ford's Sync 4, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, digital instrument cluster with real-time off-road data, premium upholstery options, including leather and water-resistant materials, rubberized, easy-to-clean flooring, in off-road focused trims. The interior is designed to be both practical and comfortable, ensuring a pleasant ride whether on a daily commute or an off-road expedition. Performance. The 2025 Bronco continues to offer impressive off-road capability with multiple engine options. 2.3L EcoBoost turbocharged inline -4 base engine. 2.7L twin turbo V6 available on higher trims. Bronco Raptor, high output twin turbo V6 with extreme off-road tuning. Possible hybrid variant for improved efficiency and torque. Standard 4WD GOAT goes over any terrain, drive modes, and an advanced terrain management system ensures superior handling in mud, snow, sand, and rocky conditions. The Raptor model takes things further with Fox Racing shocks, heavy-duty suspension, and 37-inch all-terrain tires for extreme performance. Safety features. Ford equips the 2025 Bronco with advanced safety and driver assistance technologies, including Ford Co-Pilot 360, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree camera system for off-road and urban maneuvering, trail turn assist for sharper off-road handling, automatic emergency braking and collision warning, roll stability control for added safety on uneven terrain. Market position. The 2025 Ford Bronco remains a strong competitor in the off-road SUV segment, challenging rivals like the Jeep Wrangler, Toyota 4Runner, and Land Rover Defender. With its blend of off-road capability, everyday drivability, and modern technology, the Bronco appeals to both hardcore adventurers and lifestyle buyers looking for a rugged, yet stylish SUV. Outro. With its timeless design, powerful performance, and cutting-edge technology, the 2025 Ford Bronco continues to be one of the most sought-after off-road SUVs. Whether you're conquering trails or driving through the city, the Bronco delivers an unbeatable combination of adventure, comfort, and capability.